This is going to be our last experiment. This is carboxylic acids and esters. First part is solubility in water, where you will need 5 test tubes, to which you will place 3 drops of each sample. So 3 drops of acetic acid, 3 drops of oleic. Stearic acid is a solid, so use a pinch of stearic acid. If your sample is a solid like succinic acid, use a pinch of the solid sample. Okay, so this is your first set, to which you will add 3 ml of water, because we are determining solubility in water. In the next set of test tubes, again, you will place the following samples: acetic, oleic, stearic, succinic, and benzoic. But instead of water, you will be using 10% sodium bicarbonate solution. 3 ml of 10% sodium bicarbonate solution. Okay, so take note if the sample becomes soluble or if it produces gas. The next part, this is the third part, this is action of oxidizing agent. And in this case, the oxidizing agent that we will be using is 5 ml of 0.5% potassium permanganate. So 5 drops of each sample. Then you will add 5 ml of the oxidizing agent, which is potassium permanganate. This is heated in a water bath. Okay, since your reactant here is potassium permanganate, which is a colored solution, you will know if the reaction is taking place if the color of the potassium permanganate disappears. Okay, so I added this part, ester synthesis. We will be synthesizing some esters. The first test tube, to the first test tube, you will add ethyl alcohol, 20 drops of the alcohol, and around 60 drops of the carboxylic acid. Okay, 20 drops of alcohol and 60 drops of the acetic acid in the first test tube. In the second test tube, 20 drops of 1-butanol and 60 drops of the acetic acid. Or you can estimate 20 drops is equivalent to 1 ml and 60 drops is equivalent to 3 ml. 1:3 tayo. Okay? Then you will be adding 2 drops into each test tube, 2 drops of concentrated sulfuric acid. 2 drops again. And this is again heated in a water bath for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you will allow it to cool in the test tube rock and take note of the odor of the resulting product.